In this video, I will introduce how to install ECU-C. The APsystems Energy Communication Unit serves as the data gateway for our microinverters. It collects and transmits inverter data and operating status, providing comprehensive component-level monitoring to optimize PV system performance. Designed for commercial applications, the ECU-C has advanced features, such as monitoring power consumption and generation data, and supporting meter functions and relay control. Install the ECU-C in a suitable location, preferably as close as possible to the PV array. The ECU is not waterproof and is not suitable for outdoor use. Ensure the ECU-C is installed inside a combiner box or waterproof box, or mounted on an indoor wall. Installing ECU-C in a combiner box. Pull out the 4 mounting clips. Install on the edge of the guide rail, press the 2 upper clips, and embed them into the edge of the guide rail. The ECU-C package includes 2 antennas. One is Wi-Fi antenna, used for the communication between ECU-C and router. The other one is used for the communication between ECU-C and microinverters. If installed in a combiner box, extend the Zigbee and Wi-Fi antennas outside the box to avoid signal blockage. The AC input range of ECU-C is 110V to 277V, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. It can be connected to a single-phase or 3-phase power grid. When connected to a single-phase power grid, the live wire needs to be connected to the L1 port of the AC input terminal. The neutral wire to the N port, and the ground wire to the PE port. When connected to a 3-phase power grid, connect the live wires L1, L2, and L3 to the ECU-C L1, L2 and L3 ports respectively. The neutral wire to the N port. And the ground wire to the PE port. After completing the AC input terminal connection, press the red power button. Wait for about 30 seconds. When the OK light of ECU-C turns on, it indicates that the ECU has started normally. The ECU has 2 network connection options, wireless and wired. If you choose wireless networking, ensure the Wi-Fi antenna is installed, and press the AP button to activate the ECU's hotspot. Search for the Wi-Fi hotspot named with the last 4 digits of the ECU's ID. Turn off mobile data. Press Local Access to log into the APsystems EMA Manager app. Click ECU Network Setting in the workspace. And then select Wireless LAN to connect to the Wi-Fi you want to use. For wired networking, simply connect the ECU's RJ45 network port to the router network port using a network cable. When the ECU is connected to the network, the COM light will turn on when connected to EMA, indicating that the ECU-C is connected to the network successfully. Next step is connecting the inverters to ECU. We need to enter the UID of the inverter into the app. Access the ID management section within the workspace. Click Add to register the inverter. You can either scan the barcode on the inverter label or manually enter the inverter's ID. After entering the ID, click Sync. If the sync status for all inverters is shown as OK, it means the inverter UIDs have been successfully uploaded to the ECU. Return to the workspace and click on Inverter Connection Progress to monitor the networking progress. When it reaches 100%, the networking status will display OK. and the signal strength will be shown as normal, indicating the Zigbee network between the ECU and the inverters has been successfully established. By installing CT rings, the integrated meter chip in the ECU-C can measure power and energy production and consumption. For single phase, connect one grid-side CT to the grid CT terminal, with the white wire connected to 2A+, and the black wire connected to 2A-. Connect one PV side CT to the production CT interface with the white wire connected to 1A+ and the black wire connected to 1A-. Clamp the grid CT onto the live wire of the incoming grid, with the CT arrow pointing towards the load. Clamp the PV CT onto the PV wire in the same way. For three-phase systems, make sure to follow the above procedures for the installation and wiring of each phase's CT. After installation, click Meter Settings to enable the anti-backflow function. The ECU function video provides a detailed walkthrough of this feature. You can check out our consultation and tutorials in the YouTube channel.